In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number linked to your Revolut account. This is a quick update, but it's important because your phone number is used for login, security checks, and notifications. Before you start, make sure you have the new number handy and that it can receive SMS messages. A stable internet connection and the latest version of the Revolut app will also make things smoother. Begin by opening the Revolut app on your device. On the home screen, look for your profile icon at the top of the screen. Depending on your device, this might be your photo, initials, or a generic avatar. Give that a tap to open your profile area where all your key account options live. Next, head into account settings. This is where you manage security, preferences, and personal information. If you don't see account settings straight away, look for a settings or gear icon within your profile section. The wording can vary slightly by app version, but it'll be in the same place. From there, tap on Personal Details. This section holds your name, address, and contact information. Inside, you'll see the phone number currently linked to your account. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the number you want to update. To change it, tap directly on your phone number. An edit screen will appear. Enter your new phone number carefully, making sure you've selected the correct country code. Double-check each digit. Typos here can delay verification. When everything looks right, continue to move to the verification step. Now follow the on-screen instructions to verify the new number. Revolut will usually send a one-time code via SMS to the number you just entered. When the text arrives, type the code into the app. If your device suggests an autofill, confirm that it matches the code you received. If the SMS doesn't show up right away, wait a minute, check your signal, and look for a resend code option. Avoid sharing this code with anyone. It's for you and your account only. After the code is accepted, your phone number will be successfully updated. You may see a confirmation message, and from now on, Revolut will use this new number for security prompts and important alerts. If something doesn't update, immediately close and reopen the app to refresh your settings. That's it, quick and secure. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like or drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.